How to make natural skincare products at home? This is one of the questions that been asked by my followers and subscribers from some time. You can make DIY products at home using herbal powders and botanical ingredients, like mixing them up in milk or water, applying them and washing it off after some time. This has been a tradition from many years. Our parents and grandparents have been doing this. But what if you want to make your own commercial products at home? You would want to know what all ingredients goes in a product, how to make it, right? How about you know all of this? Either by joining a course or diploma from a well-recognized institute, or you can join a basic workshop where you would know about the basic things that are needed to make a cream or a product. You can join one of my natural products workshops. For more details, you can follow me on Instagram. Next step for this is to get your products licensed if you want to sell it commercially. You can go either through a loan license or a manufacturing license. I have spoken about this in detail in my previous reels and videos. I will list them in the description box. You could check them out. Do let me know your favorite product that you would like to make at home. Thank you for watching.